Hi traders and investors. As you can see, today I got the delivery company IPO shares and it's listed positive in exchanges and it is giving 10% returns today. So I thought I should make an IPO video. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for an IPO in Dhan web application and I will show you how seamless and convenient this process is. So first of all, if we take a look at the IPO's listings from 2022 until today, you can find more successful IPO listings than the failures, mathematically and statistically speaking. For example, 100 IPOs listings happened in last 2 years. In that, 75% to 80% IPOs listed positively, and in fact 60 to 65% are giving more than 50% returns. In fact, some stocks offered triple-digit returns in the listing day itself. For example, Happiest Mindset Technologies was listed at a price of 123% from its issued price. If you are an investor and if you want to grow your capital, then you should definitely invest in IPOs because IPOs are often considered as the fastest way to grow your capital. And right now, it is the best time to do it. So, initial public offerings, as the name suggests, a company offering its stocks to the public for the first time, and it's a process of making private company into a public company. So until yesterday, Delhivery is a private company. From today onwards, it's a public company. When a company is private, 100% of the company shares are owned by the company's owner or stakeholders. When the company owner decides to take the company public, they approach the stock exchanges like BSE, NSE for listing their company. They complete the process. They also make a part of their shares available for investors to subscribe. Investors invest the IPO during the subscription period and wait for the IPO listing. To apply for an IPO, you need a Demat account and cash in the bank account, and these two should be linked, and that's it. As a note, your bank account must have a sufficient balance to fund the IPO applications. When you apply for an IPO, the application amount will not be taken away instantly, but that amount will remain locked until the allotment date. Obviously, the highest bidder will get shares. In case if you are allotted the shares, then only that amount will be transferred from your bank account to company's account. And if you do not get the IPO allotment, then blocked amount will be released instantly and you can use that money for the other use. Let's see how to apply for an IPO. It's so simple in Dhan. To apply, log in into the Dhan account and top right hand side, you'll find your photo or Dhan logo. Click on your photo, select the IPO option. It will open your IPO dashboard. In this, you can find 4 tabs. Open now will show you the IPO that you can apply now, and upcoming show the details of upcoming expected IPOs. Listed means already listed. This is my favorite tab in this dashboard. It gives the data of issued prices and listing prices along with the LTP. It's so fun to watch this section, and my bids will show your applications for IPO. If you already have a Dhan account, you can log in and watch this section, and if you don't, you can use the link in the description below or in the first comment to open an account instantly. Let's go and apply for Ether IPO. Click on apply now. It will show some details like dates, size, total shares that company offering in this IPO, minimum lot size, and lastly IPO timeline. Tick the tick box below, click on bid for IPO, and now it will ask for your bids, means buying prices. First you need to decide how many lots you want to buy. Each lot contains some number of shares. That number will show here and at what prices. In this I am buying only 1 lot. In the price column you can bid your buying prices. So in here the price band is 610 to 642. So I want to bid only 620 rupees. As you can see, you can place up to 3 bids and the maximum amount that you can buy shows here. And after placing bids, click on proceed to payments. Type your UPI ID in this step and hit the submit button. You'll receive a notification in application related to that UPI ID. You will need to approve the transaction on the UPI ID application and your bid will be approved by the exchange. You'll get a mail from them saying that IPO application submitted successfully along with the other details, and your status column updated as payment confirmed within few hours based on banks. Once you are allotted with shares, the company will send you an email along with all details. Just go through it. Those shares will be credited to your Demat account 3 to 4 days before listing in exchanges. That's it. Once again, the application money will remain blocked and generate the interest until the allotment date. And for your info, soon we are coming up with an IPO withdrawal option also, so that you can cancel until allotment date. The entire process is so transparent and you have complete authority. Choose a SEBI authorized broker like Dhan to start your IPO journey. We will help you with a seamless and transparent application process. Just remember, research is the key to getting the most out of your investment. So research thoroughly about the company before investing your capital. If you find a promising IPO, go for it. Follow the steps that mentioned in this video. If you think that this video will be needed in future, just give a like so that it will be in your YouTube liked videos and you can watch it whenever you want. You'll find the links description for ongoing IPOs and upcoming IPOs, and invest as much as you want. If you got IPO shares in the past, please comment below the company name and how much returns you got till today. And good luck. Thank you.